Imagine stepping into your garden, a sanctuary of green and color. Now imagine plucking a ripe, juicy tomato for your salad, still warm from the sun. Edible landscaping blends the beauty of ornamental plants with the practicality of growing food, creating a harmonious balance. It's a way to create a space that's both visually appealing and functional, offering a feast for the eyes and the palate. No longer are vegetable gardens relegated to the backyard, hidden from view. Edible landscaping seamlessly incorporates fruits, vegetables, and herbs into your existing landscape, making every part of your garden productive. This method replaces traditional lawn space or ornamental plants with edible counterparts, transforming your garden into a source of fresh produce. The result? A stunning garden that nourishes your body and soul, providing both beauty and sustenance in every season. Why choose edible landscaping? Firstly, it's incredibly space efficient. You can transform even the smallest spaces into productive gardens. Maximize your garden's potential by growing food alongside flowers. This not only saves space, but also creates a beautiful and functional garden. Secondly, enjoy fresh, homegrown produce. Imagine the satisfaction of picking your own vegetables, knowing exactly how they were grown. There's nothing quite like the taste of a sun-ripened tomato straight from your garden. The flavor is unmatched by store-bought varieties. Thirdly, edible landscaping can be a feast for the eyes year-round. The vibrant colors and diverse textures make your garden a visual delight. With careful planning, you can have something growing in every season. This ensures a continuous supply of fresh produce and keeps your garden lively. Lastly, it encourages biodiversity by attracting beneficial insects and pollinators to your garden. This helps create a balanced ecosystem, promoting healthier plants and a more sustainable environment. Start with a plan. Assess your garden's sunlight, soil type, and space. Consider perennials like blueberries and strawberries for year-after-year harvests. Add in annuals like tomatoes and basil for variety and vibrancy. Don't forget edible flowers. Nasturtiums, pansies, and calendula add beauty and flavor to salads and desserts. Choose plants that thrive in your region and suit your taste preferences. Think about layering your plants, just like in traditional landscaping. This technique not only maximizes space, but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your garden. Place taller plants like corn or sunflowers at the back, where they can capture the most sunlight without shading other plants. Medium-height plants like tomatoes or peppers should be positioned in the middle, ensuring they get enough light and air circulation. And trailing plants like strawberries or herbs can be placed in the front, where they can spread out and be easily harvested. Use color and texture to create visual interest. Mixing different shades and leaf shapes can make your garden more vibrant and engaging. Plant purple basil alongside bright red tomatoes. This combination not only looks stunning, but also benefits the plants through companion planting. Incorporate pathways and borders using materials like gravel or bricks. These elements make your garden more accessible and organized. These elements add structure and define different areas within your edible landscape, making it both functional and beautiful. A well-designed garden can be a feast for the eyes and the palate.